In this video, we are going to make 3 mini dot mandalas. Let's get started with the first one. I'll start with light green dot in the center. I'll keep straight swipe using greenery. Now I'll keep this light green swipe in between any two swipes here. So I just have to take very less amount of paint so that I can create a swipe. Now I'll keep golden dots around this circle. I'll dot on the lines first and one in the middle as well. Now I'll keep a small golden dot. I'll keep light green dots on the lines. Now greenery dots. Now I'll walk the dots using greenery. Now I'll keep two side swipes in gold for this. I'll keep a dot and then drag it to a swipe later. Now I'll drag this into a swipe. Now I'll keep a greenery dot here. I'm sure all of you love this first mini mandala. We will now move on to the second one. In the second mini mandala, I'm starting with the golden dot in the center. I'll keep a straight swipe on the lines using this greenery. I'll keep a dot and then drag it to a swipe. Now I'll drag this into a swipe. I'll keep a straight swipe again in light green, but in a reverse way. I'll keep a dot here and then drag it to a swipe. Dragging it into a swipe now. Now I'll keep golden dot. Now I'll keep greenery dots on the lines. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in green. Now I'll keep 2 golden side swipes. Now I'll walk the dots in greenery. I'm sure all of you love the second mini mandala too. We will now start with the third. I'll start with golden dot in the center, greenery dots in the next circle, now light green dots in the next circle, to fill the gap I'll keep 2 side swipes in the same color. Now I'll keep greenery swipes on all the lines. Now I'll drag these dots into swipe. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in light green. Now I'll drag these dots into swipes. Now 2 more golden side swipes.